Yeah. Hey guys, this is a short video. I did another video with this engine and 2 cabooses, but you know what? I didn't even see. My husband brought it to my attention. There's a big old crane and snow blower over here. Dang, they're cool. So we have to look, right?
Check that out.
Oh, that is so cool. Look at that. How did I miss those in my previous video is beyond me. Boy, that'll move some snow, won't it? And this is the crane here. Our front runner station, our commuter train station is right there. You can see it, the red, white, and blue train there. That's our commuter. Let's see if I can zoom in real quick. You can kind of get a close-up of it. There you go. That is our commuter. But these are cool. In that silver color.
Front runner. Wasatch front runner.
Yeah, now put them on my side.
I'll go up here and spin around.
We're going to go up here and spin around.
Then maybe you can get a picture of that.
That's the salon. That's the salon I went to one time. So this is the transit station here. Buses and the front runner. Yeah, those are cool. Definitely cool. I like that silver color, almost looks aluminum.
I wonder how they get the snow off of the road, the tracks now. All right, peeps, thanks for watching.